Edward, do you see a difference between this and what you might call, and I don't want to glamorize it or glorify it, professional shoplifting? Or do you see it as sort of different ends of the same spectrum?
I see it as, if we start from the retailer perspective,
Yeah.
convenience stores, my members, as a victim of this crime of theft, it means the same wherever it happens across the store. When they tot up the till at the end of the day,
Yeah.
they have lost revenue and therefore lost viability. So I think we really have to be clear that it doesn't matter where it happens. Theft is theft in the store, and it has the same impact, and it has a real impact. I think we shouldn't lose focus on just the scale of what we are seeing in the level of shop theft from stores. 5.8 million incidents of theft from convenience stores alone, which has a big impact on their ability to trade and their viability in the future. So it doesn't matter where it happens, it is theft, and we have to call it out as that.
Yeah.
And we need the police to do more to be able to respond to these incidents when they happen.